Hey everyone, welcome back to the Travel English series. This is episode 2, and today we're talking about what happens when you arrive at the airport. Checking in, dropping off your bags, going through security, and finding your gate. Airports can be pretty busy places, so I'll walk you through all the important words and phrases to help make everything a bit easier and less confusing. All right, let's get started. Airport terminal. When you arrive at the airport, you'll usually enter through the terminal. That's the main building where everything happens. Inside, you'll find check-in counters, security, shops, and boarding gates. Some airports have multiple terminals, so make sure you know which one your flight leaves from. Next, check-in counter. The check-in counter is where you go to get your boarding pass and drop off any luggage you want to check. There will be airline staff ready to help you. It's usually right inside the terminal near the entrance. Next, baggage drop-off. This is the spot where you hand over your checked luggage after you've checked in. You'll get a tag for your bags, and staff will make sure your luggage goes on the right flight. Next, we have self-check-in kiosk. A self-check-in kiosk is a machine where you can check yourself in for your flight without waiting in line. You usually scan your passport or enter your booking reference, and the machine prints your boarding pass and luggage tags. Ticket counter. This is where you can buy your flight tickets or get help if you haven't booked online yet. Staff at the ticket counter can also help you with booking changes or questions. Flight information display. These are the big screens in the terminal that shows all the flights, their departure times, gate numbers, and status. You check these to know when and where your flight leaves. Flight status. Flight status tells you if your flight is leaving on schedule, running late, or has been called off completely. This info is usually on the flight information display. Check in for a flight. This means you officially tell the airline you're going to be on the flight. You usually do this before the flight leaves, either online, at the airport counter, or a kiosk. Checking in gets you your boarding pass and confirms your seat. Next, boarding pass. A boarding pass is a ticket that lets you get on the plane. It has important info like your seat number, gate, and boarding time. You have to show this at the gate before you board. Special assistance. If you need extra help at the airport, like a wheelchair, help with luggage, or someone to guide you, you can ask for special assistance. It's good to request this ahead of time. Check baggage or check luggage. This means handing over your bigger bags to the airline at the check-in counter or baggage drop. They'll send your bags on the plane separately, and you'll pick them up at your destination. Carry-on baggage or carry-on bag. This is the smaller bag or suitcase you take with you on the plane and keep with you during the flight. There are size limits, so don't bring anything too big. Baggage allowance. This is the amount of luggage you're allowed to bring on your flight without extra charges. It usually includes a weight limit and sometimes a number of bags. If your checked luggage weighs more than the allowed limit, you have to pay an extra fee. This is called an overweight baggage fee. Tag your luggage. When you check a bag, the airline gives you a tag with a barcode and your flight info. They put this tag on your luggage to make sure it goes to the right place. Security checkpoint. This is the place where airport security staff check you and your belongings to make sure nothing dangerous gets on the plane. You'll need to line up, show your boarding pass and ID, and pass through several checks. It's a key step before going to your gate. Next up, electronics. At security, you'll usually have to take out your electronics like laptops, tablets, and phones from your bag and place them in a separate bins for scanning. This helps security officers get a clear view on the X-ray machine. Bins. These are the trays or containers you put your belongings in to go through the X-ray scanner at security. You will place your electronics, liquids, and sometimes shoes in these bins. Body scanner. This is the machine you walk through at security that uses advanced technology to check for hidden items on your body without touching you. It's faster and safer than the old metal detectors. Next, metal detector. A metal detector is a machine that beeps if you have any metal objects on you, like keys or a belt buckle. Sometimes you have to walk through one as part of security screening. Security officer. These are the people who work at the security checkpoint. They check your ID and boarding pass, watch the X-ray monitors, and may ask you questions or do extra checks if needed. Prohibited items. These are things you are not allowed to bring onto the plane or in your carry-on bags. It includes sharp objects, liquids over certain amounts, flammable items, and more. The rules help keep everyone safe. Random screening. Sometimes security chooses passengers randomly for extra checks, even if nothing suspicious is found. This might include more detailed bag searches or a pat down, and it's normal and it's part of the safety process. Pat down. If security wants to check you more closely, they might do a pat down, which means gently touching your clothes and body with their hands or a special wand to make sure you're not hiding anything dangerous. Duty-free shop. This is a special store inside the airport where you can buy items like perfume, alcohol, chocolates, and souvenirs without paying taxes. Prices can be cheaper here, but it's only available to travelers who are leaving the country. Boarding gate. This is the area where you wait to get on your plane. And each flight has a specific gate number, and you'll usually hear announcements telling you when it's time to board. Gates often have seats, screens, and sometimes small shops or cafes nearby. Food court. A food court is a large area with different restaurants or fast food places where you can eat or grab a snack while waiting for your flight. Airports often have a variety of options from sandwiches to local specialties. Next, charging station. This is a spot with outlets or USB ports where you can charge your phone, laptop, or other electronic devices while waiting at the airport. It's super helpful if your battery is low before a long flight. Flight announcements. These are the messages you hear over the airport speakers, giving important information about flights like boarding times, delays, gate changes, or final calls. Listening carefully helps you avoid missing your flight. Lounge or airline lounge. An airline lounge is a special comfortable area in the airport reserved for certain passengers like those flying business class or frequent flyers. Lounges offer free snacks, drinks, Wi-Fi, and a quiet place to relax. Boarding time. This is the time when passengers are allowed to start getting on the plane. Boarding usually begins about 30 to 60 minutes before departure, and it's important to be at the gate before this time. And we have final call. This is the last announcement before the plane leaves, telling any passengers who haven't boarded yet to get to the gate immediately. Missing the final call often means missing your flight. Alright, that's it for today's episode. All the important stuff you need when you arrive at the airport and check in. I hope you found it helpful and that you feel a bit more ready for your next trip. Don't forget, episode 3 is coming up soon and we'll be talking about on the plane. Things like what to say when you board, how to ask for help, and what to expect during the flight. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.